Did you know your brain is like a bustling city of neurons? Yes, indeed. It's not just a metaphor, but a reality. Imagine a city where over 86 billion citizens, known as neurons, live. Each of these citizens has a critical role to play, transmitting information at lightning-fast speeds. This vast network of neurons is what makes you, well, you. It's responsible for every thought you have, every emotion you feel, and every action you take. These neurons are like the city's infrastructure, supporting the complex metropolis that is your mind. They're the subway system of your thoughts, the power grid of your emotions, and the highways of your actions. And just like a city, your brain is incredibly dynamic. Every new experience, every bit of knowledge you acquire can alter this neural landscape. So, the brain isn't just a mass of cells. It's a bustling metropolis of information exchange. Your brain could light up a room, literally. It uses about 20 watts of electrical power. That's enough to power a low-wattage LED light bulb. This energy isn't just for show. It's crucial for signaling between the over 86 billion neurons in your brain. Plus, it helps maintain the brain's overall health and function. So, it's not just the smartest part of you. Your brain is also a champion of energy efficiency. So, your brain is not just smart, it's energy efficient too. Can you tickle yourself? Your brain can't. Now isn't that strange? Well, the human brain has a knack for predictions. When you attempt to tickle yourself, your brain forecasts the sensation before it happens, thus dulling the ticklish response. It's basically your brain saying, "I've got this. No surprises here." This predictive ability showcases the brain's role in shaping our sensory experiences. So, the next time you try to tickle yourself and fail, you know who to blame. Your brain. Think your memories are set in stone? Think again. Our memories aren't rigid, inflexible snapshots of past events. Instead, they're more like malleable, ever-changing works of art. Every time we recall a memory, we're actually re-experiencing it in a new light, subtly altering it in the process. This phenomenon is known as memory reconsolidation. Now, you might wonder why our brain would design such a seemingly unreliable system. But here's the kicker. This fluidity of memory is actually a key part of our adaptability. It allows us to learn from past experiences, updating our memories with new information and perspectives. So, the next time you remember that embarrassing moment from high school, you're not just cringing, you're evolving. So remember, every time you recall a memory, you're actually creating a new version of it. It's almost like our brains are their own little storytellers, constantly rewriting the tales of our lives. Ever heard of the 10% brain myth? Let's debunk it. This popular myth suggests that we only use a meager 10% of our brains. However, modern neuroimaging techniques such as fMRI and PET scans reveal a vastly different story. These technologies allow us to visualize the brain in action and show that we use much more than just 10%. The truth is, over the course of a day, nearly every part of our brain lights up on these scans. Now, we're not using all areas at once. The brain is an efficient machine, activating different regions as needed, based on the tasks at hand. If you're solving a math problem, different regions light up compared to when you're smelling a rose. So, whether you're composing a symphony, learning a new language, or even just daydreaming, you're engaging a symphony of neural activity. So rest assured, you're using your whole brain, not just a fraction of it. Who needs a supercomputer when you have a brain? Just consider this. Your brain is a processing powerhouse, outrunning the fastest computer chips in existence. Its incredible speed allows you to interpret, react to, and adapt to your surroundings in the blink of an eye. This swift processing is what enables us to engage with the world around us, making split-second decisions and adapting to changes in real time. So, next time you marvel at a supercomputer, remember this. Indeed, your brain is the ultimate supercomputer. Ultimate. Ever wonder why we dream? It's your brain's movie night. Dreams are more than just fantastical tales spun by your subconscious mind. They are the brain's ingenious way of processing, integrating, and making sense of the information it constantly receives. When you dream, your brain is essentially going through a rigorous process of sorting, categorizing, and storing information. Think of it as your brain's version of a computer's disk defragmentation. It's tidying up, clearing out unnecessary clutter, and making sure everything is in its rightful place. And it does all this through the vivid, often bizarre narratives we experience as dreams. Moreover, dreams serve as a safe space for our brains to explore scenarios and solve problems without the risks and constraints of reality. It's a playground of sorts, where creativity and logic intertwine. So, when you're dreaming, you're actually attending your brain's private movie screening. The brain is not just smart, it's resilient. It's a marvel of adaptability, capable of rewiring itself after injury in a process known as neuroplasticity. This is the brain's very own repair mechanism, allowing it to form new connections between neurons, and sometimes even creating new neurons altogether. Imagine a busy city, where a main highway has been blocked off due to construction. The traffic doesn't just stop, right? It finds alternative routes to reach its destination. Similarly, when a part of the brain is damaged, it doesn't just give up. It reroutes its neural pathways, making detours around the damaged area. This incredible ability is crucial in recovery from brain injuries and strokes. Neuroplasticity allows stroke survivors to relearn skills and regain control over their bodies. It's like the brain's own superhero power, allowing it to heal and adapt in ways we're only beginning to understand. So your brain isn't just smart, it's a fighter too. Think your brain takes a break when you sleep? Think again. While your body is in rest mode, your brain doesn't clock out. It's busily processing the day's information, sorting and storing memories for later. It's like a night shift worker, diligently organizing files in a quiet office. It's also when your brain cleans up, clearing out unnecessary data to make room for new information. So, even when you're sleeping, your brain is hard at work. And the number one amazing fact about your brain, it named itself. Yes, you heard that right. The human brain is the only known entity in the universe that has achieved this level of self-awareness. It's a bit like a painter who paints a self-portrait, only here, the portrait is abstract, and the canvas is reality itself. This self-naming process is a testament to the brain's unique ability to comprehend and reflect upon its own existence. It's a fascinating display of the brain's cognitive prowess, and it's what separates us from every other species on the planet. By naming itself, the brain essentially acknowledges its own capabilities and complexities. It's an act of self-recognition that underscores just how remarkable this 3-pound organ truly is. So, not only is your brain incredibly complex and powerful, it's also self-aware. Now, that's truly amazing.
Subscribe for more content.